Welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we have another very interesting question from Algebra which we'll be solving in this video. Here we have to evaluate a square where a is sum of absolute values of all the roots. So let's get started by writing here x cannot be equal to 0 as we have x in the denominator. Now if I will plug in the value of x in the RHS, we are going to get infinite sum in the RHS. So what we will do, we will consider the denominator equal to x once again. So in this place, we can write this is x. So I will rewrite our equation x equal to square root of 19 plus 91 over x. Now x is not equal to 0. So we can multiply both sides by x. So let us multiply LHS with x. So in the RHS, we'll multiply with x. X times x, we will write x square in the LHS. And in RHS, we have to write square root 19 times x plus 91. Now take all the terms to LHS. We will get x square minus square root 19 times x minus 91 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation. We are going to use quadratic formula. So I need to write equation x square minus square root 19 times x minus 91 equal to 0. If we will write here x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. Here a is coefficient of x square, value is 1. B is coefficient of x, value is minus square root 19. And c is constant, which will be equal to minus 91. We are going to get two x values or two roots. So x will be equal to, let's plug in values of a, b and c. Minus b, so we will write minus of minus square root 19 plus minus square root of b square minus square root 19 whole square minus 4 times 1 times minus 91 over 2 times 1. Now we have to simplify and we can write minus times minus becomes plus square root 19 plus minus square root of minus square is plus square root and square will be cancelled out. We will get 19 here plus 4 times 91. We will write 364 over 2 times 1 is 2. Now 19 plus 364 is 383. So we can write x equal to square root 19 plus minus square root of 383 over 2. So we have two roots. Let me write here x1 equal to square root 19 plus square root 383 over 2. And x2 we will write square root 19 minus square root 383 over 2. Now x1 is positive for sure and x2 is negative. Now we have to find a, and a is absolute value of x1 plus absolute value of x2. So we will write here the mod definition. Mod x is equal to x when x is positive or equal to 0. And this is equal to minus x when x is negative. x1 is positive. So we will write here mod of x1 will be equal to mod of square root 19 plus square root 383 over 2, which will be square root 383 plus square root 19 over 2. But in case of x2, as x2 is negative, we have to consider minus sign. So we will write mod of x2 equal to minus of square root of 19 minus square root of 383 over 2 will be equal to plus, or we can write square root of 383 minus square root 19 over 2. Now we are going to calculate value of a first, which is mod of x1 plus mod of x2. Now we will write here the values. So we can write square root 383 plus square root 19 over 2 plus square root 383 minus square root 19 over 2. Now denominator is same. We will write here common denominator 2. So we have to sum up our numerators. Square root 383 plus square root 19 plus square root 383 minus square root 19. Now we will cancel plus and minus square root 19. So we are going to get 2 times square root 383 over 2. Now 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. We will get a value square root 383. Now in problem a square is asked. We have to consider squaring both sides. So I will write here a equal to square root of 383. We will put power to both sides. So square root and a square will be cancelled out. We are going to get our required answer for a square. Value will be equal to 383. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.